Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for gamers. Here is a straightforward guide to help you enable settings that may reduce or manage controller drift on your PlayStation 5. Step 1. Access settings. Navigate to the home screen of your PlayStation 5. From there, go to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Select accessories. In the settings menu, scroll down and select the accessories option. This section contains various settings related to your controllers. Step 3. Choose controllers. Within the accessories menu, find and select controllers. This will lead you to settings specifically for your PlayStation 5 controllers. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. Look for an option related to dead zone or analog stick sensitivity. Adjusting these settings can help mitigate the effects of controller drift by increasing the threshold for stick movement. Step 5. Test and calibrate. After making adjustments, test your controller in a game to see if the drift has improved. If necessary, return to the settings to further tweak the dead zone or sensitivity until you find a comfortable balance. By following these steps, you can manage controller drift on your PlayStation 5 and enhance your gaming experience.